And good morning po sa inyong lahat. It's October 14 in the morning, 5:19. Yan, so, ang pinintay natin. Tara na, nung kapayat. Ako, 5:30, nag-start tayo tapos tingnan natin tong Apple Watch natin, no? Para may silbi naman. So, ayun, tingnan natin. So, ayan, 41 minutes. Magpo 42 minutes na. So, ayan, 42 minutes, stop na tayo. Nakailang step kaya tayo, tingnan natin, no? Sa 42 minutes. So, 3 kilometers, 3,519 step. So, ayan. Okay, okay na yan. So, 6:12 na, may oras pa rin tayo para sa tiyan natin sa oblique. So, yun ang araw-arawin din natin kasi grabe, malaki siya pero feeling ko lumiliit na dahil lumalambot na siya. So, pinintin natin. Tara na. Ganun pa rin tayo. Crunches. Tapos puro sa oblique na lang and lower abs. So, yun lang. Tara. Ita-time lapse na natin to. So, let's go. Oh, dito tayo sa may tagiliran natin. Tara. Time lapse. May sakit pero okay lang. Lower abs tayo. Lower abs. Pero wait lang. Planking. Try natin. So yun, may 4 minutes pa. And yung nakaraan natin is 1 minute and 30 seconds. So sana malagpasan natin ngayon, no? Sana lang. Grabe sakit na lang abs ko. Ah! Ito nyo. 1 minute and 44. Pero siguro may mga 2 seconds. 1 minute and 42. Grabe yung 2 minutes na pag-record nun. Ang tagal ipasa nun. So, ayun, 1 minute 44. So, meron pa tayong 1 minute para magpahinga. Ay, hindi. Dito, hindi magpahinga. So, yun. Ang grabe ang sakit. So, yung kakain natin, yung kinaulit natin kahapon. Which is tofu and vegetable. And for lunch yun. Grabe, pagod ang sakit ng tiyan ko. Parang gusto ko na matulog dito. Magkita-kita ulit tayo para sa tricep and shoulder natin. Ayun. So yun, after work, 6:03, medyo na late tayong umuwi kasi bumili pa ako ng gulay at medyo traffic talaga ng ganong oras. So, panitin natin, tara na mag-gym. Shoulder and tricep lang tayo ngayon. So, let's go.
I will do my best to bring out the best in me. I will come to a conclusion and understand that if it's meant to be, it's up to me. I have to be the one to take action. I have to be the one to believe in myself. I have to know that it's not over yet.
Yung first exercise tapos na. Yung second exercise na first rep, hindi ko na videoan. Well, video natin yung pinakalas para baliktad naman. So, last rep ng second exercise, let's go. Pagod na ako.
If I'm getting nothing, why can't I just get up and believe in myself? Today, do something with your life. Today, Because if they're productive and they're honest and you have passion behind it and you're not hurting anybody, but you will hurt yourself. Because there's no one like you. Be productive, be strong, believe in yourself, and from the bottom of my heart, ladies and gentlemen, conduct your business. How long will it take for you to wake up? To get to a point in your life where you realize that if you truly want to get to a place that you've never been, you have to
Third exercise, tapos na. Doon tayo sa tricep naman. Yung baka dalawang exercise na tayo doon. So, ayun lang. Grabe. So, first exercise sa tricep. First rep. Let's go.
You have to be willing to make the sacrifices. You have to be willing to work a little bit harder. You got to wake up from your slumber and sleep. You got to say enough is enough. It is up to me. And right now, I must be willing to fight and get through whatever I'm dealing with in my life. Because there's no time for pity. There's no time to worry. There's no time to say that I don't have it. I have it. It is in me. I will attack and I will win that victory. Victories do not come easy. Sometimes you will lose. Sometimes it will not go the way you always want it to go.
Sarap. Tapos na yung first exercise. So, last na tayo sa tricep. Kasi wala naman tayo masyadong gamit, no? Kaya, yun lang yung nagagawa natin. Ayun din, siguro 10 minutes ng treadmill after this. So, ayun lang. First rep. Second exercise, tricep. Let's go.
You are the one that is in your own way. If you believe that a lie means more to you than the truth, make your mark on this day. Do what you have to do, but you gotta save yourself. Stop depending on everyone else to feel bad for you. Stop depending on everyone else.
Oh, sakit. Sarap. Yun, tapos na yung second exercise ng tricep. So, treadmill na tayo. Mabilis na kasi may titingnan lang ako sa Costco. So, ayun. Yung oras kasi. Basta yun, gambatero naman tayo eh. Sipag lang. Yun. So, magsisimula tayo ng 6:37. Ayan. Kahit 6:50 lang. Then, 10 minutes. Ganyan. Then, basta 10 minutes lang tayo. O kahit 8 minutes lang. Tapos 5 minutes pa nga. Then, ligo, alis. Kasi, punta akong Costco. Ayan. Yun lang. Medyo masakit pa rin kasi yung binti ko, no? So, ayun. Hina-hina lang. Kasi may naman tayo ng umaga eh. So, doon lang tayo bawi, no? Ayun. Kanina, na-check ko lang sa ko. Simula ng umaga and hanggang sa lunchtime, hanggang uwian pala, ayan, 15,950 steps ako. So, plus ngayon, ayan, yun, buong lakad ko from today is 12 kilometer and 30 pala. So, yun lang. Kaya mas na-appreciate ko na yung Apple Watch. Dati kasi hindi eh. Meron nga, pero hindi ko naman na gagamit. So, ayun, nagamit ko na sa oras. And syempre, may tumatawag, ayan, na-appreciate ko na talaga siya. So, yun. Ayun, tapos na tayo. Kasi pagdating naman natin doon, lalakad-lakad din naman tayo. So, ayan, grabe pagod. Well, anyway, tingnan nyo yung lulutuin ko mamaya, or kakainin ko mamaya. Then, see you again tomorrow. And syempre, thank you for watching. And syempre, ganito na tayo, Ayan. I-like, share, comment, subscribe lang naman tayo dyan, syempre. Ayun, puro syempre. Babush.